What's up, guys? Welcome back to Bluff Family Projects. Well, today I'm going to help my cousin. We're at a farm that's up by me, and we're going to be moving some equipment to their farm up north. So we got to modify a tractor to haul on the trailer.
Go ahead and grab some for
That size. Not coming?
No.
Here.
I thought they had broken.
Yeah, that's it. Let's just go ahead and set away some battery. You already know it's not going to come, so.
You got a bar? You what? You got a bar store over there? That's the one I brought. Yeah, that's our bar. That's all I got. I was doing the other one. It's not too long. It's not close.
I got one of them. Yeah,
I'll take my turn.
Well, we had no whole side to do.
I know.
Definitely another whole side to do. Yeah, they're a little tight. I hope that house jack this tractor up. Probably not.
Might actually help us. A little bit of pressure might help it.
Yeah. Yeah, don't take him all the way out. Just yeah, just take him loose.
Whoa. You pull it up. That's probably good. Put it with a sledge. I got a sledge in there. Yeah, can you grab that on the back side and clean that some more? Sure. There we go. That's nice.
Making progress.
Does this tire have fluid in it? I don't know. Probably. I believe they would. So they probably do. How's it going? See that ways to go that way. Ah, something did.
Did I get you?
Something did.
Oh, sorry.
Wasn't you.
Oh.
You did it.
Yeah, it's got pressure on it, so there's a little vibration.
Right. That's just awkward for me. I got it. This is where. I think that paper is cast.
That whole piece is cast.
I mean, with it, the flex.
No, it might not be actually. Yeah. Cast with crack, yeah, so it probably won't be, yeah. Now this piece is.
Yeah, I would see that for sure.
See, if you look on this side, you can see what's going to come loose.
Yeah.
See it right there?
Yep. I have no leverage to. And I don't think it matters. I can't get in there. I need to hit this piece, not this piece. These don't really matter.
Hey, where's that spray at? Okay. We've got penetrating oil in all sorts of different places now.
Yeah, give it a bit and maybe tap on the axle a little bit.
I actually got a little bit out of this one.
That's good. Yeah, you can tap on that a little bit. See what we can get out of it.
All right, let's put this thing back. Hey, did you take all the sockets I need for this?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. Yeah, I get the cotter pin out.
You know a trick? I'm having trouble with it. More stuff, maybe pop it from the bottom or down. see it all.
Yeah, let me see it.
That's a break it. I broke it. Get out.
Got a hammer? Where's that little hammer at? In the shed, isn't it? Oh, it's right there. Let me see it. Hey Nathan, you want to get to do collar prints while you're in town? There's that one right there.
Alright. I'll grab for you. The free axle.
Oh, we need to do all of them. This thing's been over here for 20 years. And we're going to drag it 70 miles. Yeah, we don't want to bear it failing.
Do you mind if I try and do the other one too?
Oh, I don't care. Okay, that bearing. I just want to make sure we have grease in these bearings. Ah, here we go. That's just amazing. I just want. Okay, Nathan, I'm about done with this side. This is a different design than a car.
Yeah, but I mean, if this wheel shot into the ground and wet, you'd be in trouble. But that don't mean they would.
So I just want to just make sure we got grease in it.
How does they look?
They look good. Bearings, with no bad bearings.
Okay, good.
I just hope we don't get into it and get a bad bearing, but
Right.
that's the main thing.
Yeah.
It's like I said, we're going slow.
Right.
That thing's out of grease again.
It shouldn't be. I just loaded. Well, I don't know if I just loaded it. I wonder why. It could be that it's just it might. Yeah, I thought it was out. I had it running, but maybe not.
That's just the main thing. We just want to make sure. We want to pump it in a little bit.
Yeah.
That's what we're doing. Grease out here, and we're getting grass and everything else up in it. Okay, that's good.
Better than dirt, though.
Yeah. At work, you know, we do make grinding wheels. We run bearings dry. You know, they have manual machines that handles, because the minute you put grease in it, you'll get maybe 8 hours out of that bearing.
Really?
Hand crank, the grit, all the dust gets in there, and it's just like having a valve grinding compound. It just destroys the bearings. So we actually run them bone dry.
You blow them out, or just you don't even worry about it?
You know, the operators know. We just
that's the way it's done.
That's the way it's done.
That's interesting. What? Rollover taters? Yeah. We just.
Okay, we're gonna go through some flags here. But yeah, we definitely
Hey.
yeah, definitely we need this is I don't know what happened to
Use this one. Actually, It don't matter because I won't be back by the time you get the other one done.
I was gonna say just get a new set of cotter pins.
Yeah.
You know, for them, and that way all we gotta do is put the cotter pin in it and then pop the caps on.
Right. I'll be back.
Okay.
Looks like you finally meet you.
Yeah, I know. That's what I told Nathan though. I was wanting to try to make a point that to get to be a little closer because he is family. So So it's like, why not? Yeah, I felt bad last weekend when I seen him, same thing,
Yeah.
Yeah, last winter, me and my brother fixed that Dodge truck right in the shed.
Really?
Yes,
That's a good job.
that job sucked.
It's a lot of stuff to take apart, or?
They had to pull the heads off.
Oh.
That job sucked.
Probably was tedious.
It was, just a little bit.
You need a bigger bar.
Oh, you're getting that
Cap off.
cap off? That cap could be a pain. Oh, you moved your son, haven't you?
Yeah, I just did
You need like a flat bar or something?
something.
I'll be a fuel gopher, I guess.
Thank you.
Yeah, we're gonna put all new cotter pins and stuff in it, and
I don't know if this will help you, but maybe a wider,
yeah, you might be able to get in there with that.
maybe twist it sideways.
Yeah.
Well, if
Yeah, let me see that. Oh, yeah, don't have your hand out. I don't want to get you.
There it is.
Yeah, you got the idea.
thank you.
Uh-huh. There, I'm gonna put zoom close and show everybody what you're doing here.
Okay.
She is going through wheel bearings. She insisted, and we're letting her.
Clean up the old.
Yeah, we're just putting this little grease on them. Other way.
Oh.
That'll be all right. We'll just pack them in good. I know this ain't the proper way to pack these bearings, but it is a disc and not a car.
One more.
Yeah, there you go. Now let's pull that piece of grass out there. But I know I've seen it up there. I don't see it. That'd be good. Okay, you get it? Find it?
Yeah.
There you go. Well, that's really good on your wedding rings. You got the little fancy diamond rings right there.
You want to hold that upside down so I can back that other side here?
I wear it when I work at the butcher shop, so.
Yeah, there you go.
Well, she was able to save that cotter pin, so
Oh, okay, awesome.
might have to spin that nut till you
Yeah.
find the hole.
Yeah, hand me a screwdriver or. Want to give another wheel? Yeah. Like I said, It's not like going fast.
Yeah.
Okay. How was this one here? Yeah, I think it was like that because the wear marks. See how the wear marks on the thing? Yeah. Let's go up just a hair.
Get the bottom in first?
I don't know, maybe.
There we go. We're probably not even lined up.
It was close.
You need impact?
Success. Success is always nice, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Yay, we got one side done.
Uh-huh.
All right. I kicked the tractor out from underneath that jack and raise this disc up. Put it in a transport position. You gonna see it right there when we lift it? All right, go ahead. Oh yeah. Duh. Yeah. Wow. That hurt. Yeah. I whacked right into that thing. Wow, that hurt. I went to go this way and I ran right into this bar. Okay. Well, let's get the truck. Let's hook up the truck. Yep. Let's go and we'll take the hydraulics off and. All right, now straight back. Straight back. Okay, come back that way just a little bit. Okay, come on back. A little more. Oh, right there. Okay, lower down, guys. Hey, Nathan, pull forward a little bit, Sam. Hey, that's gonna clear. That's clearing good.
Yeah.
I was worried about road clearance and stuff. Because these over here are working all right, so. All right, well, we're off. Let's see how this goes. There we go. We end up switching out trucks, guys. Put behind the dually. What we should have done to begin with. So, alrighty. Catch you when we get there. Well, we're making progress down the road. A little over halfway there. Big old wide disc. 14 foot wide. Running 22 miles an hour. Yeah, long ride. Oh, oncoming car. There we go. Well, we'll be there shortly. Guys, we made it here. We're gonna pull it around and then we're gonna put it right in here. Definitely made it.
Woo. What a trip. I didn't even have to go all the way through. What, that water? Yeah, I think that is really hot. I don't even know if that engine can lower this. I can lower it.
Alright. Well, we're at my cousin's, his nephew, and we made it. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll catch you on the next one.